drug picture. ड्रग पिक्चर में भी यू सेड नो इनसिक्योरिटी. कौन बोला? इनसिक्योरिटी लगती है. कैप्सिकम में इतना फियरफुलनेस है. फियर एंड इनसिक्योरिटी आर वेरी क्लोज. नो, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस
between
fear and insecurity?
Fear is your particular object or
Correct. And insecurity?
It's a feeling.
Fear is not a feeling.
Protected, unprotected security is much to do with that, right? I mean, you have a backup, you have a protection, you have a shield, you have someone, support system, bolo ya, you know, that is security. Basically, it is something to do with filling that void.
See, you are talking about security, about being, existing, surviving.
Yes.
Okay, it's not limited to that. I can have insecurity that my patients will go down. Somebody can have insecurity that his car will get stolen. Okay, it can be about objects also. It can be about relationships also. So being secure, protected in terms of existing or surviving is one of the things. But insecurity is a feeling, a fear kind of feeling, kind of. But it is more about losing something. So that is there in this remedy. But the fear of losing what? It is about losing social relationships in capsicum. म्हणजे माझा मित्र मला सोडून जाईल, माझं लेट्स से माझी रिसेप्शनिस्ट मला सोडून जाईल, that kind of insecurity.
MAG मध्ये it is more of family.
It is more of
loss
parents.
Parents.
More of parents. नॅट्रमची इन्सिक्युरिटी जी आहे ती अशी आहे की मी यांच्याशिवाय जगू नाही शकणार. इथे तसं नाहीये, मी जगू नाही शकणार असं नाही. पण सोडून गेले तर काय होईल एवढंच. अँझायटी, क्वेश्चन मार्क. इट्स नॉट आन्सर टू दिस इज असं नाही.
So what would be the effect in capsicum, for example, when we talk about MAG of losing their relationship or husband, and then they extra caring they become, even if they compromise on their own desires. So
They become pacifists.
passive.
And they repress their desires. So
Yes.
what is the effect? What is the manifestation in capsicum?
Capsicum.
About insecurity, right?
About losing relationship. Because there might be
About
some
losing
consequence.
relationship, they have a tendency to find out what is expected out of them from that person, from that relation, and trying to fulfill that. Generally, what happens is they have insecurity more about people related to their field of work. So they, out of imbibing from others, they become ambitious in the first stage, and they don't feel they have the capability to fulfill that.
हे source
Now.
books कुठले वाचायचे बरं? If this you say.
This that I am saying is given specifically in Vitolkos.
अच्छा. So,
Is specifically given in Vitolkos. And Vitolkos is not a source book, it is not a proving book, it is all his experiences. Okay. So they feel they are incapable of doing it. And when they feel they are incapable of doing it, that is the time they start going into the dullness. So one we saw is if there is the stimulant action going on and then it stops, or it continues but then the person goes into dullness. At the mental level, this is the pattern where there is insecurity, they try and become ambitious, they try to fulfill, they understand they are not capable enough, and then they go into the dullness. ठीक है? Insecurity and feeling of guilt, which produces fear of police. This is again given by Vittelberg.
Fear of
Police.
police.
See, I told you, he not only away from home, anything he remembers from the past, he becomes homesick. First stage, second stage, I have been talking since the morning, so I am not going into that. Great fear of being criticized and desire for stimulants. Huh?
Again, calcarium.
Again, calcaria. Fear of being observed that he is confused is calcaria. Great fear of being criticized. Again, calcaria. Again, if you see fat, indolent, unclean people, also calcaria. So there is some author who has given, if you give calcaria, and if the person starts growing more fat, you have to give capsicum. And that will be the remedy. That will be the constitution. People who are opposed to physical exertion and averse to go out of their routine. Now this routine thing, we have to understand again that it is in the second stage. In the first stage, they are in fact more than happy to go out of the routine. Why? Because they have desire for stimulant. Going out of the routine is a stimulant mentally. अभी डलनेस आ गया, अभी मुझे कुछ काम करने की इच्छा नहीं है, उसमें अगर रूटीन बोलोगे छोड़ने को तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम है. See, overstimulated children of overstimulated men, beer drinkers and pepper eaters, which is mirchi eaters. Then, very specifically given that males are more capsicums than females. Like
Nux
and no, Ignatia more females. Lyco more males. More female वाले कौन से रेमेडीज है? बहुत है. Sepia, Ignatia, ठीक है ना? Plump, round, lacking stamina.
Staphysaria.
More males.
More males.
Males. But it is not so much of a difference.
हाँ.
Females भी होते हैं Staphysaria, बहुत होते हैं. इधर क्या है, एक ऑथर ने, आई थिंक इट इज केंट हु हैज गिवन, कि अगर कैलकेरिया आपको बहुत लग रहा है और कैप्सिकम है कि नहीं पता नहीं चल रहा है और पेशेंट ऊपर से डल स्टेट में है, कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहा है, तो क्या करना है? हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट? वो तो बोल नहीं पा रहा है. Look for red cold cheeks. It is not a good practice to do this. उसने बहुत clearly दिया. It is not a good practice to do this. But if the patient is not talking and you are not sure, then you have to have some confirmatory symptoms. So the confirmatory for capsicum is this: red cold cheeks. Then themes are many. We just go through because of short of time. Sina follows well in intermittent fever. Then we talked about tenesmus at the same time in rectum and bladder. Cantharis is the remedy. Nitromur is the chronic of capsicum. I had really thought it would be calcaria.
Yeah.
But this is what is given in books.
But then, why is Natromur the chronic of capsicum for a wonder? I mean, when we are all throughout almost
Almost all throughout, we are thinking either of Hiparsal or of calcaria.
Exactly.
Why it is nitromur, I don't know. But these people are talking out of experience, whether it is Alan Boric or this was, I think, Dewey. They are all talking out of experience, so I won't doubt that. Then अगर कैप्सिकम का ये है प्रूविंग है या कोई फॉरेनर ने मिर्ची खा लिया है तो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ सल्फर और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड टू एंटीडोट. Tips: treatment of troubles of alcoholism and the mania apoto. ये भी मैंने बोल दिया. Teaspoonful of mother tincture of capsicum in 1 liter of wine. ये भी बोल दिया. Interestingly, what I found is capsicum is also a backflower remedy. और backflower कैसे यूज करते पता है?
It's more to do with mind only.
Only mind.
Because
Only mind. But how to use? The positive qualities are fiery, energetic, inwardly mobile, capable of change and transformation. This is what it induces in the patient. और उस कब देना है जब पेशेंट में स्टैग्नेशन, इनएबिलिटी टू मूव फॉरवर्ड, इनएबिलिटी टू चेंज है, तब देना है. ठीक है.